welcome back to my channel. I'm Deni, and today I will be unboxing my Boxy Charm.
And I'll be unboxing my Birch box.
So let's go ahead and start with his, because his always has an extra item that I don't have, which is his lifestyle item.
For my lifestyle item, I got a multi-tool from Modern Made Man. So this is what it looks like. It's got a screwdriver. It's got these wrench holes. It's a bottle opener, and it's a comb.
It looks like a hard comb to brush your hair. Interesting. So now I'm going to go ahead and open up my Boxy Charm and show you what it looks like. You guys already know what it looks like. When I open it up, it looks like this. And this month's is called Boxy Bash. That's the theme for this month. You get a card like this. I guess they're back to their normal card format. Well, I'm going to go ahead and look at the prices so that I can tell you what is in here. The first thing that I'm picking up is a blurring primer from Cover Effects. And this item right here retails for $38. Wow, that's an expensive primer. And didn't we just get a primer like the other day?
So my first item in the box is these shower sheets by Anthony, and it's some type of, it's supposed to be a cleansing white for exfoliating and hydrating, and the retail value on this is $15. This is only a sample size.
So then my next item is a lipstick or lip gloss. Here we go again with the lip glosses. I got a lip gloss from Han in a nude shade. This is supposed to be the shade Nude Rose, and this is going straight into giveaway because I do not like lip glosses, so I'm not even going to open up this product. This usually retails for $15.
So my next item is this Billy Jealousy Saki Balm Body Moisturizer, and it retails for $36 in a full size, and it's for hydrating and moisturizing.
Cool. And my next item that I'm seeing inside of my box is a brush from Aesthetica, and this one is in the P12. Now I do want to go ahead and open this and feel it, just because I've been seeing that everybody has gotten this brush and I don't know what the hubbub is. It feels really soft. I'm not really sure what this brush is actually for, whether it's for contour, whether it's for blush, what part of the area of your face it goes onto. But this brush right here retails for $27. This is a very expensive brush. As a matter of fact, this is telling me that it's a synthetic face brush, but it doesn't say what part of the face. So there you go.
So my next item is this Coola SPF 50 Sport, and it's a sunscreen lotion.
You don't even use sunscreen.
Nope. But if you wanted a full size, it's $32.
Okay, so the next item that I am seeing inside of my box, which was a spoiler, is the Pretty Vulgar. I guess this is the ink liner. It says the Ink Blackest Gel Liner. If you've been here with me for a while, you pretty much know I don't use ink liners, or liners that are in pots. I forget about them. So this is more so to just show and display, or maybe give away, because I most likely will never use this product at all. Now this retails for $24. That's an expensive eyeliner, and I know that it's really big. If you look at it, there's a lot of liner. I know that they are filled to the top. I don't know, it just seems like a lot of product, not enough time to use it type of thing.
So my next product is this on-the-go teeth whitening gel. And this is something that is more for her because she uses these products. And
you saw my face of excitement. Is that what it was? I was like, ooh, let me see. Go ahead, continue.
and if you wanted a full-size product, it'll cost you $24.
Wow. So basically you pull off the cap and you put this on, brush it on your teeth, and you don't even have to rinse. Pretty cool. You don't use stuff like this, but I do. So then the next item that I am seeing inside my box is a set of 3 brushes, and these are from Aesthetica again. This trio retails for $45, and it comes with a spoolie, an eyeliner brush, and what looks like a brow brush. I'm not really enthused. The fact that this retails for $45 is beyond my understanding. It's a set of brushes that you can get anywhere. I don't see anything groundbreaking with them. I think the price point on this is ridiculous, and we need to talk about that part of it. We got 2 separate types of brushes instead of them being all lumped together. These things are way overpriced. Let's just talk about, that's just beyond being crazy. Am I the only one that's gonna speak up and say, Aesthetica, what's wrong with you?
So my last product is this hydrating collagen eye pads, and they're meant to fight the fine lines in your eyes. If you wanted to get the full size product for this, will be $18.
And then the last product that I have inside of my box was tucked away. It is from Pure. I already knew that this was coming in here because I've seen that many people already have unboxed this. It is the Pure Sculptor, which is a, they know how to keep you out of the packaging, I tell you that much. That's what Pure does. So now that I got it open, it looks like this. Basically, it is a set of 2 bronzers and 2 highlighters. The selection that they gave me is a pretty dark one that doesn't really complement my skin tone, but the highlighters look promising. And it comes with a mirror as well. I'm not too sure what I am gonna do with this guy just yet. This retails for $30, and that's in the same price range that Pure usually is. I wish that I would have gotten a shade that would complement my skin tone. I also heard that these smell like chocolate, and they sort of do smell that. It smells like Cocoa Puffs. It smells like powder, like Cocoa Puffs, but also like a weird synthetic smell as well. So that right there was everything that I got inside my box. That was everything that you got in your box. And if you want to keep seeing us come back and do our unboxing in this format, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Hit the notification bell, share this video, and as always, from my house to yours. Love ya.